Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channels. In today's video guys, let's see what fits of my YSL or Celeron monogram envelope clutch. So I'm really happy that I'm finally scored this color. I wanting this color, like this is a dark dune and the other one is a light, something's like a more like a beige, but that one also is always sold out, the other color. But this one is always, I want it so much. I love the color. This is the one, the color I really want, and a perfect really the gold hardware for this. And as I mentioned that they have this wristlet in here. And also guys, I'm gonna show you how I use a crossbody bag or shoulder bag for this one. It's just like a cheap version instead of buying a from Zamorga or Zumini a bag insert, but I did ending up a what do you call one, the insert for this, because I sent when I purchased this. Oh, this is a story guys. So when I purchased this when online, because I'm not planning to return this. So after I purchased this one, I ordered right away of the bag insert. But when I scroll or clean all my closet or my bags in here, I found all my, like the one I've used for my bag charm to make. And then you know what, I can use this one. I don't have to pay 39 pounds for that. So it's on the way now. It took like 3 weeks, I think 3 to 4 weeks to so I received that. So yeah, and this is the one I'm talking guys before I move on to the what fits. So this is what I did. I have this leather material in here. This is a fake leather one that it's for all my bag charm, and I just measured it and fold in a half, so at least it has more secure to handle the chain. So I have this one as well, this o-ring. I got this one on Amazon when for my other nylon pouch. So I use that one o-ring in here because I do have another D-ring or like this one, but that was also the gold. But the problem is they only have one left because I've been using that a lot for all my other small bags to make as a clutch. But since you can't see it as much, I use this one. So what I did, I just cut a hole in here like that. And by the way guys, sorry about that sirens. By the way guys, for this chain, this is the chain for the my Dior miniature something, that's this limited edition. So I use this strap. I did try the Louis Vuitton chain I have, but it's too long for me. But it's perfect for crossbody bag, but when I do like a shoulder bag, it's too way up high to me, too long. So this one is a perfect size. So what I did guys, just insert this one. So this is, it's plain over here. So you don't have to buy actually a bag insert, just make your next time. If I buy something, I will try to make my own bag insert nowadays, because at least it save your 39 or for how much the bag insert cost is. So this is what it looks like. I just put all the way in, and I don't really, I did try this one twice already. For this one, I don't see any mark at all. I just leave it like that. And let me close it for you guys so you can see that you cannot see much of that silver o-ring in there. Same as this one, I didn't remove this, so I just leave it like that. So in case if I want to use a wristlet, so at least I have that. See, show you guys. See, this is what it looks like. It's perfect. I'm really glad that I have this chain from Dior, that the beauty one. It's perfect color. Though the YSL is like bright shiny hardware, the Dior one, it's not. It's more like a rusty color, but I don't mind guys. It doesn't so much obvious anyway. It does perfect for my Louis Vuitton one, but like I said, it's too long. I'd rather use this one. So yeah, this is what I'm using, guys. It's perfect size actually on me. See, just right here in this side over here, and then when I'm doing crossbody, see, it's perfect size. I don't know if you can see, guys. So yeah, just right there. That's why I prefer this chain than the Louis Vuitton one. So yeah, let's move on to what fits of this YSL clutch. Let me remove this one for now because the chain is keep making a noise. So I'll try to put my mini case in here because it doesn't space much at all. I prefer if I bring that one, I just bring one of that. And then my lipstick from Dior. This is a limited edition 525. Let's put this one over here. So I put that one on the side. And then cell phone, this is iPhone 7. I put right there. And then my key holder. So that's pretty much probably I'd carry if I'm going out. So there you go, guys. It fits everything in there. They have 4 items in there. It does stretch out, as you can see. It does stretch out the bag. I probably don't bring this. So let's try remove this and exchange with this my card holder from Chanel 19. Oh my god, I really love this color so much. Even though it's not perfect, I don't mind. I like color combinations when I'm bringing home. I don't like matching everything, my bags and my items. So let me change my lipstick. This is the Sisley one. This is the Lay 52 Rouge number 21, and it's very perfect nude color. And if I bring a small lipstick, compact powder, let me arrange that. So I put there, and let me try to put my key holder. So I put there, they have key holder, card holder, cell phone, compact powder, and a lipstick. So this one doesn't stretch much than the first item that I put in there. I just changed to the mini case, even though this one is more the other one. So it's nice. Let's see. Let's remove the Calvi coin purse. I just leave it there because sometimes I always bring a change. And this one, I just remove the phone, guys. Okay, I'll show you what everything looks like in there. I can bring a small perfume like a Chanel samples size. So let me close it again. So it's not much stretch out at all. Just perfect. Let me put this one, guys. So if I using this one, you see how much can fit if I use this one. Okay, so just make sure that I put there already, guys. So probably because sometimes I do bring cash and change, I probably use this one or the other Chanel card holder. And then I'm gonna bring lipstick. See, I put that one there already, but it seems like doesn't have space. I think for this one I don't have to bring a full size of lipstick, just a small size. Let me get this one, guys. Normally I always carry like this one small. I have a few of this, so that. And let's see, compact powder, because sometimes compact powder is nice to have. Actually, it makes my bag more, so yeah, it doesn't stretch out the bag if I put that one. And let's add all the items that I put. The first one, that, my phone, and this. So I put the phone, lipstick in there, and this, except I didn't put this kind of lipstick because it stretched out the bag, so I prefer a small bag, a small lipstick. So yeah, I think the full size of lipstick make a bag stretch more. That's it for what fits in my YSL clutch. So you can see how I turn into a bag, and I know it doesn't fit much at all. This is perfect for like quick errands or a night out, guys. So, and I love the color for this. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.